So we've been sharing Jolene's story this week, and today is the day that I flew out to go meet our volunteer transportation crew to get her. And so I'm gonna make some cookies for Beans Barn. I thought we could have a little cookie party, and maybe you guys would like to get a glimpse inside. So very simple recipe. You can give this to goaties, you can give it to your dog, just simple, clean ingredients. One, I'm gonna start with mashing up a couple of ripe bananas. I'm gonna add some organic pumpkin. I'm gonna add some oats, a little bit of molasses because molasses makes everything better, and a couple flax eggs. Pretty good. So we're gonna add in pumpkin, a shot of molasses, just a little bit like that. I love growing food and baking for our animal residents. It's so lovely. Perhaps it's the Italian in me, but you know, celebrating kindness and helping to fill bellies. 2 cups of oats and our 2 flax eggs. I love it a lot. Like, I can't necessarily stand it when I hear people chewing their food or watching people eat, you know, but watching a rescued animal eat so contently and enjoy snacks specifically made for them just is heartwarming. Like, I love it so much. So now I'm just kind of mixing it all together. And once I get it to the consistency that I like, I add about a 1/2 cup flour, eyeballed. And I'm just going to mix it all together to a good consistency. Oh yeah, that looks good. Pop it in the oven at 350 for like 12 to 15 minutes. And then when it's cool, they're ready to enjoy it. It smells pretty good too. Look at that. Okay, so just little drop cookies. So fun, so good. Just a healthy little treat to celebrate special days. These are the simplest, fastest, and healthiest little snacky cookies to share. I'm going to head out to Beans Barn right now. Whoa, it's a cookie party. Joey. Jolene. Oh, yes, Joe says. Happy rescue-versary, 5 years today. What do you think? Oh, another. Okay, well, let's go easy here, girl. Here, do you want some? Not too big of a piece? Oh, yeah. The sheep are a little more picky. Let's see. Here, Lola. Can I put it right here? There we go. Jolene, can you believe it? 5 years. Our survivor girl. Did you get it? No. Girl will. Peace, Mama? You're a cookie monster, girl. Very good. Okay, you are done, girl. You went from 0 to hero.
Yummy.